Hey everybody, Custom Mike's here. We have a late night delight for you. I'm here with Scotto.
Hello, good night everybody.
We've
or
been
good
driving.
Evening, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, whatever. We are in Shamrock, Texas.
Shamrock, Texas, in the Panhandle.
In the Panhandle.
Texas
and
Panhandle.
We decided, we gave it up. We are going to have a stay, a shower, shave, and maybe a couple of toothbrushes at the Westin Motel in Shamrock, California.
Texas?
Shamrock, Texas. We left California, what,
24,
30 hours ago?
yeah.
34, 30 hours ago? I'm a little bit...
Disoriented.
Yeah. But look at this gem right here. Look at this gem. Do you know what it was?
This is a Conoco station. It's a gas
Conoco,
station.
yeah. You can barely read it, but it says Conoco right there,
it's
okay?
It's a Conoco station, from my understanding.
What a just
It's the
beautiful building.
beautiful.
And we're gonna look. There's a truck sitting there, and there's a, what is that right there?
Another truck too. It looks like in there.
Yeah, it almost looked like a,
So it's one of those, like a Ford, I think, like a jail bar Ford.
yeah, something. We'll see once we get over there. We'll
Yeah.
walk across the street and kind of take a look at it, because it's just, here we are in the middle of the night. It's just beautiful. Oh, by the way, we are on Route 66.
Route 66.
too.
Route
Yeah.
66 and
Like
Main
you
Street.
can see over there, it says historic Route 66. And this is actually where we're at. Oh, there's a military ambulance back there too.
Yep.
So we'll figure we'll walk around
wagon.
and take this
Take in
beauty
this
in.
gym.
How much did they spend restoring it, did you say?
I think he said a couple, I think either $1 or $3 million.
Yeah.
Restored. It was in pretty bad shape from what he indicated.
Yeah. See, now you can see it says Conoco up there.
Yeah.
What a cool station. Oh, look at this. It
Beautiful
says
Art Deco.
right there, Route 66. Oh, heck yeah. Old Route 66. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Then they got these gas pumps. I mean, they've really done this up. Really, really done this up. What a beautiful, beautiful piece of history. It looks like that thing just going on and on and on.
Just
Yeah.
exquisite Art Deco styling.
Totally Art Deco.
Yeah.
Got a Route 66 bench. You drop in on Texas Route 66. And yes, Texas Pride. Texas Pride. So the neon is just beautiful too. And they're still in the middle of refurbishing it, so they don't have any tenants to speak of yet.
I think there's a visitor center there.
Yeah, but
And,
that's coming though.
They're working on a knick-knack shop or a
Look at the
an
tile.
ice cream store. Yeah, I got the ceiling tile.
Yeah.
I
An
don't know
old
if that's,
glass.
if that's like a plaster or if that's like a stamped steel or copper or
Maybe
something
they
like
saved
that.
the old stuff.
Maybe.
Never know. Hey Debbie. Hey Stephen. Oh, they made it the Tower Building Landmark.
Yep. Look at that.
Historical Commission in Texas. I'll hold it here so you can.
Okay, so the tower building was, let me see here, the distinctive tower building was one of many commercial structures erected in the early 1930s, along new U.S. Route 66, designed by Pampa architect J.C. Berry. The structure was built by local entrepreneur J.M. Tyndall in 1936. The tower building is an excellent example of a gas station diner of the 1930s and exhibits many elements of the Art Deco style, including geometric detailing, curvilinear massing, and neon highlights. And it's recorded Texas Historical Landmark in 1994.
You got. I mean, if you look at this stuff right here, this is freaking beautiful right here. You know, the shape right there, and then you go into the shapes that are up here.
Yeah.
They're a bit different. And then you got
And I believe this tile is green as well.
Oh,
Or it's
yeah.
painted green. It's got
like an accent of green.
Yeah, it's got a surface to it, almost like a ceramic, almost. In the lower ornamentation down here too, the tiles.
Oh yeah, you're
Yeah.
right. It's hard to see in just the neon light, but
Yeah, because it's
maybe
got so
tomorrow
much green.
we can get
it's hard
another
to-
shot at it. I think there's a Studebaker?
Oh, it's a Studebaker. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
it's a
Studebaker pickup. Getting a service, badly needed probably.
Yeah.
Oh, they got a little doggy in the window too. There you go. Oh, it's a flatbed dually too. Very
Yeah.
cool.
Service truck.
Studebaker. Got cool little emblems and stuff.
Yeah.
Big heavy grill. Yeah, baby. And now, oh, now this is what they made the visitor center. That's cool.
Yeah.
Push hard. I don't want to push on it right now. That's what it says right there. Push hard. That's what we tell the ladies when they're giving birth.
You
Fix
got
the
an
door,
old,
huh?
Newspaper box here.
Yeah. I like that little neon arrow and stuff.
Yeah.
I really like that rounded, convoluted stuff, and it carries out into this entryway. And you got that lovely.
With the neon, it creates all those little scallops.
Yeah.
You know, the little darker scallops, and gives it a lot of accent.
Very cool. And then you got the cafe sign on top.
Yeah, it's not an active cafe. I think they're going to make either a knick-knack store or a ice cream store, is what the fellow was telling us from the
You're
the
welcome,
hotel.
Debbie. Hey, Craig. Hey, Laura. You're supposed to be in bed, girl. You're up way too late. Texas 66. Oh, they even got the Siskis shop right there. So, oh, it's no longer a working cafe, so it'll be a gift shop. Oh well, you know, they're trying. I just love the way it looks, you know. And they went from the round to the pointy up there with the cafe thing, or the sign.
Yeah.
Hey Russell, I know we're up too late, but we're so damn wound up with all the stuff we've experienced in the last 30 or 40 hours or so we've been at it, and this is kind of one of those things where we take 5 minutes and just appreciate what's around us, you know. And I mean, how often do you get to stand right here on Route 66 in the middle of Texas, in the Panhandle, and appreciate the building or the buildings around us, you know. And I know you can't read it there, but it says historic Route 66 right there. And I mean, a building like this, it's just phenomenal. Love that little tow truck too.
Yeah, it's a little Chevy, like a 37 Chevy, I think.
Yeah, somewhere around there.
Look at look at the gear crank, the crank.
I know.
It still has the crank winch on it.
Everything's done with, and they got it at the no parking sign, you know. It's kind of funny. But yeah, oh, and he's got it like I have on the car hauler with the pipes coming up in the back.
Right, the stacks.
Yeah, and even at the hotel, they're duplicating all the neon stuff, and we'll show you some more in a little bit.
Yeah, even the ATM over
yeah.
there.
Yeah, ATM has got a cool new. But this is all like mechanical advantage stuff with the gearing and all that stuff, way before hydraulic and electric motors and that type of stuff, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, that's just a big old hand crank.
Yeah, you
I mean, you hand crank this puppy. You know?
Yeah, that cranks it up, and this was
Yeah.
just the pitch of the boom
Yeah.
with this big screw job here.
Yeah, it's so cool. You know, I'd love to have a place like this one, you know.
Wow. Right?
Yeah. Oh, and it's open. Let's look in at least. We won't touch it, but you know. Can you imagine how many rescue missions this puppy's been on, you know? It's a little faded, a little tired, but way cool. What is it, about a 2-ton version or something like that?
Probably, yeah.
Yeah.
30. Yeah, that's a 37. Yeah.
Chevrolet. All the way. Very, very cool. And we're sorry about all the wind and stuff going on today, and we didn't have most of the stuff we filmed today. We didn't have the gear on and the microphones and all that stuff, but took the time today because this building's worth it here on Route 66, just so that you guys can know it. And Bryce, yes, if trucks could talk. Oh my God. This is in Shamrock, Texas. Dallas Tootsie's asking, so Shamrock, Texas. If you look up the Westin Motel in Shamrock, you'll get the address. And I think I put it in the description too. And we also have an old ambulance here too, which is pretty cool. And it says, thank you, vets. We appreciate all our vets. And yeah, so old Route 66 and I-40 in Shamrock, Texas. Oh, look at
got a
that.
Jeep
I
front
didn't
end
even
on it,
realize
right?
that. Look at that. Hang on, let me get a big neon heart over there. You know what that building is? Or it's got a bunch of cool graffiti over there too.
Yeah,
Some type of
might be a
Route 66 thing over
record
there.
shop or something.
But you know, it's just, we just wanted to share this with you. This building and walking down here on Route 66 is an awesome feeling. It's what? It's a bracket store, huh? Oh, a record store. That's actually the owner of the hotel right there helping us out. He's listening to what we're saying, huh? That's very cool. Thank you. So an old record store. Those are probably musicians and stuff over there. It's very cool. So anyway, right here in Shamrock, Texas, appreciating this old building that they spent a couple of millions restoring. And we figured we had to take this opportunity in the middle of the night to share it with you. Because you can't see it like this. You know, it's unlike many other things. And you know, some of these things you'll never see again. So taking a few more minutes and appreciating it is kind of cool. So awesome. Oh, nuts. A lot of good information in the comments from people helping out, letting us know everything. I love that big spear. It almost looks like it's taken off and is connected to something up in the heavens, so to say, making it just an awesome, awesome building. And you can see too on the hotel they're playing with the blue lights to give a neon effect.
Hello, everybody.
And they've done really
here.
nice setup, and the rooms are clean in here too.
Shamrock,
Kinda
Texas.
like it. And then yeah,
And
the
it's
happy
like after
ATM with
midnight
a little
here this
ATM.
Friday night.
Just kind of matching
Maybe, was it 20?
the
21,
decor.
something like that.
which is kind of cool.
And
So
I'm actually staying across
anyhow,
the street at the Western
I'm
Motel.
babbling away. I hope you guys are
And,
enjoying your what is it today?
shoot a
Is it
little
Thursday or
late-night
Friday? I
video.
don't even remember.
Of this beautiful gas station
but,
for you guys. Some of you
for what
probably
it's
already
worth,
seen it, some maybe not.
got a big rig going by.
But
We appreciate you guys hanging with us here at Custom Mike's and
restored
enjoying
and,
these things
put
as we
back
travel
into
through
partial use.
the heartbeat of America,
It's
so
just
to
a
say.
beautiful,
And,
beautiful example of
We'll have more for you tomorrow.
Art Deco
Love you all.
styling.
Thanks
variety
again
of
for hanging at
different
Custom
things
Mike's. See ya.
there. And